Lily Business Banking Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong, but choosing the right business banking account in 2025 can make or break your small business cash flow, financial organization, and even credit building potential. Today, we're diving deep into Lily Business Banking, a platform that's been gaining attention among freelancers, gig workers, and small business owners. We'll cover everything from features, fees, and benefits to the drawbacks, helping you decide whether Lily is worth it or if you should leave it. Let's start with the basics. Lily is a digital-first banking platform designed specifically for small business owners, freelancers, and independent contractors. Unlike traditional banks, Lily combines a business checking account with powerful tools for expense tracking, tax management, and financial insights. In 2025, this approach is particularly appealing as more people look for integrated banking solutions that help them manage their businesses efficiently without juggling multiple apps or spreadsheets. The first thing you'll notice about Lily is its simplicity. Setting up an account is fast and paperless. You just need to download the Lily app, provide your personal and business information, and verify your identity. In most cases, account approval takes less than 24 hours. Unlike traditional banks, there's no need to visit a branch, wait in line, or submit physical documents. For freelancers and small business owners who value speed and convenience, this is a major plus. Now, let's talk about the core features of Lily Business Banking. 1. No monthly fees. Lily doesn't charge a monthly maintenance fee, which is a big advantage for new business owners who want to minimize overhead costs. This is in contrast to traditional banks, where small business checking accounts often come with $10, $20 monthly fees. 2. Free transactions. Lily offers free unlimited transactions, including ACH transfers, domestic wire transfers, and bill payments. Most traditional banks charge for certain types of transactions, so this feature can save you a significant amount annually. 3. Integrated expense management. One of Lily's standout features is automatic expense categorization. Every time you make a payment or receive money, the app categorizes it into categories like office supplies, marketing, or utilities. This makes bookkeeping and tax preparation much easier. Many users report that this alone saves them hours of manual tracking each month. 4. Tax tools. Lily helps you set aside money for taxes by automatically calculating estimated taxes based on your income. You can even separate tax funds into a dedicated tax bucket within the account, ensuring you're never caught off guard during tax season. In 2025, with tax regulations constantly evolving, having a built-in system like this is invaluable. 5. Cashback card. Lily offers a debit card with cashback rewards. Depending on the spending category, you can earn up to 10% back on certain purchases like office supplies or software subscriptions. For small businesses, this can add up over time and reduce operational costs. 6. Overdraft protection. Lily provides optional overdraft protection, which can be a lifesaver if cash flow is tight. This feature prevents declined transactions and helps you maintain a professional image with clients and vendors. 7. Early direct deposit. For freelancers or gig workers who receive income via direct deposit, Lily allows early access to funds, often up to 2 days before traditional banks. This improves cash flow and allows you to cover expenses sooner. 8. Savings goals. You can create separate sub-accounts to save for specific goals, such as equipment purchases, marketing campaigns, or emergency funds. This feature makes financial planning easier and more visual. While Lily offers many benefits, it's important to consider the limitations. First, it's entirely digital. If you prefer in-person banking or need access to physical branches, Lily might not be ideal. Second, although Lily supports ACH transfers and domestic wires, it doesn't currently support international wires, which could be a drawback for businesses working with overseas clients. Third, while the cashback card is useful, it's a debit card rather than a credit card, which means it doesn't offer the same level of consumer protections or rewards as business credit cards. Another key consideration is customer support. In 2025, Lily offers chat and email support, which is generally fast and responsive. Users report that issues like lost cards or payment disputes are resolved efficiently. However, there's no 24/7 phone support, which could be a concern for businesses that need urgent assistance. Most people also get confused about account eligibility. Lily is designed for sole proprietors, freelancers, and small business owners with a U.S. tax ID or social security number. Larger corporations, partnerships, or LLCs may face restrictions or need alternative solutions. Always check the eligibility requirements before opening an account. Now, let's discuss fees. While Lily doesn't charge monthly fees, there are a few that you should be aware of in 2025. ATM fees. Lily reimburses domestic ATM fees up to $10 per month. International ATM fees are not reimbursed. Expedited transfers. While regular ACH transfers are free, same-day transfers may incur a small fee. Check deposits. Lily supports mobile check deposits, but there may be limitations on the deposit amount per day or per month. For many freelancers and small businesses, these fees are negligible compared to the time savings, convenience, and financial insights Lily provides. Now, let's break down a real-world example. Imagine Sarah, a freelance graphic designer, earns $4,000 per month. Using Lily, she can categorize expenses automatically, set aside $800 for taxes, and save $200 in a dedicated marketing fund. Her debit card earns cashback on her software subscriptions and office supplies, which totals $15 per month. She also benefits from early direct deposit, allowing her to pay rent and utilities on time. By the end of the year, Sarah has saved hundreds of dollars in fees, earned cashback rewards, and spent significantly less time on manual bookkeeping. For her, Lily is a clear worth it. On the other hand, consider John, a small business owner who needs international wires and prefers in-person banking. While he appreciates Lily's digital tools, the lack of physical branches and international capabilities might make it less suitable for him. For John, Lily could be a supplement but not a primary banking solution. One of the most overlooked advantages of Lily is its integration with accounting software. Many users connect Lily to QuickBooks, Xero, or FreshBooks, automating expense tracking and invoice reconciliation. This integration is a major time saver, especially for small businesses with high transaction volume. In 2025, automating these processes is almost essential for staying competitive and organized. Another point to consider is scalability. While Lily is excellent for freelancers and solo entrepreneurs, businesses that plan to hire employees or expand may outgrow the platform. Lily doesn't currently offer payroll services, employee expense management, or multi-user access for business accounts. If your business is in growth mode, you may need additional solutions down the line. To summarize, here's the value proposition of Lily Business Banking in 2025. Pros. No monthly fees, free transactions, integrated expense tracking, tax tools, cashback rewards, early direct deposit, savings goals, fast account setup, mobile-first experience. Cons. No physical branches, limited international capabilities, debit card limitations, no payroll or multi-user access, chat/email support only. So, is Lily worth it or leave it? For freelancers, gig workers, and solo entrepreneurs, Lily is highly worth it. It simplifies money management, provides actionable insights, and helps you save time and money. The platform is especially valuable if you earn variable income, want to automate bookkeeping, and maximize rewards on everyday business spending. For larger businesses or those with more complex banking needs, Lily may serve as a complementary tool rather than a full-service solution. It's best for businesses that prioritize simplicity, automation, and digital-first banking. In conclusion, Lily Business Banking in 2025 is a modern, streamlined solution for small business owners who want more than just a checking account. It offers a mix of financial tools, rewards, and convenience that traditional banks often lack. Most people get this wrong by focusing solely on fees or ignoring the automation and insights benefits. By understanding how Lily works and aligning it with your business needs, you can make an informed choice and decide whether it's a worth it platform for your business.